Joint pain, stiffness, and persistent swelling in the legs. These are challenges that millions face as they age, especially past the age of 60. For those who once moved with ease but now wake to aching knees and creaking hips, every step can feel like a reminder of the passage of time. Yet, beneath the surface, there is a hidden factor that quietly contributes to this discomfort: declining collagen levels. Collagen, the body's most abundant protein, is the crucial structural element that holds our joints, cartilage, and connective tissues together. It acts like the scaffolding of a sturdy building, keeping everything aligned and resilient. Without enough collagen, our joints lose their cushioning, our cartilage wears thin, and we become vulnerable to pain, inflammation, and swelling. Science now reveals, however, that this decline is not inevitable. By understanding the role collagen plays and the foods that help restore it, we can take steps to reverse joint damage, reduce pain, and even regenerate lost cartilage. The answer is not found in expensive creams or prescription medications, but rather in the foods we choose each day. Here are 13 powerful collagen-boosting foods, supported by peer-reviewed research, that have the potential to transform joint health, reduce inflammation, and restore mobility. At the very top of this list is bone broth. Often called liquid gold for joint health, bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues over low heat for hours, sometimes even days. This slow cooking process releases type 2 collagen and gelatin into the broth, both of which are critical for repairing cartilage. Several studies have found that consuming bone broth regularly can reduce arthritis pain by up to 77%, thanks to its unique combination of amino acids like proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. For best results, use grass-fed beef or free-range chicken bones, add a splash of apple cider vinegar to draw out more minerals, and simmer for at least 12 hours. Just 1 cup a day can make a remarkable difference in supporting joint function. Next, we have chicken feet, a traditional remedy that's gaining recognition among scientists for its potent collagen content. Chicken feet are rich in both types I and Ta2 collagen, as well as compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin, which are essential for rebuilding damaged knees and restoring cartilage. In one study, these nutrients not only improved mobility, but also reduced markers of inflammation in those with osteoarthritis. For those willing to try, simmering chicken feet in soups or stews for several hours yields a broth dense in collagen and cartilage-healing compounds. If you're new to this, start with small amounts and gradually increase as your palate adjusts. Wild salmon is another powerful ally in the fight against joint pain. While not a direct source of collagen, wild-caught salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant. Omega-3s reduce inflammation throughout the body, protecting existing collagen from breakdown, while astaxanthin neutralizes free radicals that otherwise damage joint tissues. Studies show that regular consumption of wild salmon, just 2 or 3 times per week, can significantly reduce swelling and tenderness in joints affected by arthritis. Sweet potatoes may come as a surprise, but they play a vital role in collagen production. These vibrant root vegetables are loaded with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for stimulating fibroblasts, the specialized cells in your skin and joints responsible for producing collagen. By including sweet potatoes in your meals, whether roasted, mashed, or blended into soups, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to maintain strong, flexible joints. Mushrooms, particularly shiitake and portobello, are next on the list. These fungi are rich in ergothioneine and selenium, 2 compounds that help protect existing collagen from oxidative stress. Ergothioneine is a unique antioxidant found almost exclusively in mushrooms, and selenium supports the enzymes that repair cellular damage. Incorporating a variety of mushrooms into your diet, whether sautéed, grilled, or added to stir-fries, can help preserve your joint health as you age. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, especially for those concerned with swelling and joint pain. These seeds are brimming with magnesium, zinc, and a lesser-known compound called cucurbitacin. Magnesium and zinc are vital for collagen synthesis, while cucurbitacin has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers and support the regeneration of connective tissues. A handful of pumpkin seeds each day, sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or eaten as a snack, can bolster your body's ability to repair and rebuild joint structures. Grass-fed beef is another excellent source of collagen, but it also provides glycine and proline, amino acids essential for maintaining the integrity of cartilage and tendons. Unlike conventionally raised beef, grass-fed varieties tend to have a more favorable balance of omega-3 fats, which further aids in reducing inflammation. Choosing lean cuts and slow cooking them in stews or roasts ensures you get the maximum joint-supporting benefits. Brazil nuts are a lesser-known but incredibly effective food for joint health. They are one of the richest food sources of selenium, a trace mineral that plays a key role in reducing oxidative stress and supporting immune responses in arthritic conditions. Just 2 to 3 Brazil nuts a day can provide your entire daily requirement of selenium, helping to protect and regenerate joint tissues. Avocados, with their creamy texture and rich nutrient profile, also support collagen production. They are high in vitamin E, which protects against oxidative damage, and contain plant sterols that lower inflammation. Avocados also provide healthy fats needed for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E, all crucial for joint maintenance. Adding slices of avocado to salads, sandwiches, or blending into smoothies can help reduce pain and improve flexibility. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes, are well known for their high vitamin C content, but their role in collagen synthesis is often overlooked. Vitamin C is essential for the enzymatic process that turns amino acids into collagen fibers, making it a critical nutrient for anyone looking to rebuild cartilage and connective tissue. Consuming a variety of citrus fruits daily, or squeezing fresh lemon juice into water or over salads, ensures your body has the raw materials it needs to regenerate worn joints. Sardines, one of the most sustainable and nutrient-dense fish available, are rich in both omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Omega-3s, as mentioned earlier, fight inflammation, while vitamin D is necessary for proper mineral absorption and bone health. The bones found in canned sardines are soft and edible, providing a direct source of calcium and collagen that supports joint integrity. Including sardines in your diet, whether on toast or in salads, can have a profound impact on joint comfort and mobility. Red bell peppers are another colorful food that deserves a place on your plate. In addition to their high vitamin C content, red bell peppers contain capsaicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of these peppers has been linked to lower levels of pain and swelling in those with arthritis. They're delicious raw, roasted, or sautéed, and pair well with many of the other foods on this list. Finally, rounding out the list are leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. While not a direct source of collagen, these greens are packed with antioxidants, vitamin K, and magnesium, all of which reduce oxidative stress and promote the enzymatic activity required for collagen synthesis. Their high fiber content also supports gut health, which is increasingly recognized as a factor in inflammation and joint pain. What makes these foods truly effective isn't just their individual properties, but the way they work together. Most provide multiple benefits. They reduce oxidative stress, support mineral absorption, and strengthen immune responses, all crucial factors in slowing or even reversing age-related joint degeneration. For example, pairing vitamin C-rich citrus fruits with collagen-rich bone broth maximizes the conversion of amino acids into usable collagen. Adding magnesium-packed pumpkin seeds or leafy greens to a meal improves the absorption of calcium and other minerals vital for joint health. Consistency is the key to unlocking these benefits. While it may be tempting to try these foods sporadically, research shows that incorporating just 3 to 4 of them into your daily routine can deliver dramatic improvements in as little as 2 to 6 weeks. Those who stick with these habits often report less swelling, improved flexibility, and a noticeable reduction in pain, making daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or gardening much easier and more enjoyable. If you're new to collagen-boosting foods, Start by making small changes. Add a cup of bone broth to your breakfast, sprinkle pumpkin seeds over your lunch salad, or enjoy grilled wild salmon for dinner. Experiment with citrus fruit snacks, or try a new recipe featuring shiitake mushrooms. Over time, these small shifts can add up to big changes in how your joints feel and function. Remember, it's never too late to support your body's natural repair processes. Even if you're already experiencing significant joint pain or stiffness, giving your body the right nutrients can help rebuild what's been lost and protect against further damage. Listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific concerns or dietary restrictions. But above all, know that the power to improve your joint health is often as close as your kitchen. By making these foods a regular part of your daily routine, you're not just easing pain or reducing swelling, you're investing in your long-term mobility, independence, and quality of life. With each nourishing bite, you're giving your body the tools it needs to repair, regenerate, and thrive, no matter your age.